Right guys, so we're going to have a little chat right now and I'm going to show you a few bits. I've had a few people asking me when I'm going gold, so this is kind of like an update video to let you guys know about that. I have actually started it again. I did it yesterday on the quarter panel. I wanted to see what it took like and see how it lasted to like the next morning, and I've come out this morning and it's exactly the same as I left it. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you what I've done already for those of you guys that are interested. I have gone ahead with this. I have bought the rest of the wrap. I'm just waiting for that to arrive. So hopefully in the next 2 or 3 weeks this should be completely finished. Obviously the insides of the doors might not be done, but that I'm going to do black anyway. Right guys, so the one worry that I had with this was it would look too much with the gold. However, since I've done the pinstripe idea, it kind of makes it look a lot better. It makes it stand out more. I think I like the gold more than I did before when I just did the full panel. So yeah, here we are, quarter panel done, pinstriped, all on there. As I said, I'm not the best rapper in the world. I've never had any training. I've taught myself, you know, so there is bits that obviously I will need to go over, but that actually looks pretty decent if I do say so myself. So idea for the car is I do have some idea in mind. I'm not going to do this whole section. I am going to do a black stripe up here, I think, and I'm going to line that with gold pinstripe and black pinstripe to make it stand out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have my YouTube logo on the side of that, I believe, so that's going to be the future plans. So yeah, stay tuned for that. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen this. If you do want to see previews and such, then do follow me on Instagram and you will see pictures before I post a video, as obviously it's just easier to do that than edit. What I might do as well as after I've done this gold is I might go over the bonnet with a gold pinstripe, like the chrome gold pinstripe, and on the roof, but again we will discuss that when, you know, the time comes. I might do it, and if I don't like it I'll take it off, but at this moment in time I am going gold. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll hopefully see you guys in the next one and you will see more progress on this.